Now Canva can turn your images into videos, and this new AI feature is amazing. Just upload your photo and click on Edit. Go to Magic Studio and try this new feature. You can also give prompt to your video, or you can simply generate a 3-second video. This is super easy and perfect for social media, YouTube or Instagram content. Save this video and follow for more Canva tips and AI tricks.